No stinking way, guys. We just caught a crappie. Oh, he's nice too. Look at him. See, whoever commented on my last video saying I don't know how to fish for bluegill and crappie, there you go, right there. That's so cool. All right, guys, we moved spots. And there's a dead perch right here with 1, 2, 3, with 7 stripes on him. There's just a little dead perch right here. He's frozen solid, but if we're not getting any luck, we'll cut that guy up and use him as bait. But now I'm just gonna grab the hatchet, chop me a little hole right here. Alright guys, just got this big chunky white bass. That is a lunker. I'm gonna try not to get spined by him, but hopefully you guys can see this. Yeah, it's a chunky white bass right there. He just smoked my bait. Yeah, that right there is a big old white bass.
And fish you get?
White bass.
Nice. Big one.
Yep.
Good sized fish. Was that on the...
Alright, let's get this guy back down in his hole. There he goes. Oh, cool. He's a pretty one. I like the blue tint they have like on their back.
We got my pliers.
Yeah, where are they? Oh. There you go.
Oh, he's off. Yeah. Oh, there we go. See you later, buddy. Oh, there we go.
There you go. Oh, there we go. Where'd the scooper go? Oh. All right.
This down. The ice is so thin over here.
Really?
It's like maybe an inch.
Yeah, it's pretty thin right here too. It's a lot thicker close to shore. Guys, well, we caught 3 fish, 1 white crappie, 2 white bass. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one.